Exploring locations with English prepositional phrases. Hello learners! Welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we'll be diving into a fascinating part of English grammar, specifically within the realm of prepositional phrases. Our focus for this video is location-related prepositional phrases. These are phrases that help us indicate where something is happening, and they're a key part of expressing ourselves clearly and accurately in English. Before we dive into location-related prepositional phrases, let's briefly remind ourselves what a prepositional phrase is. A prepositional phrase is a group of words that starts with a preposition and ends with a noun, a pronoun, or a noun phrase. The noun or pronoun is often referred to as the object of the preposition. These phrases add extra information to a sentence, giving it more depth and detail. Now let's dive into our main topic: location-related prepositional phrases. These are prepositional phrases that specifically relate to where an action is happening or where an object is located. The prepositions in these phrases, words like in, on, at, under, above, etc., establish the relationship of the object to the rest of the sentence, in terms of its location. For example, in the sentence, "The cat is on the mat," "on the mat" is a location-related prepositional phrase. Here are some common examples of location-related prepositional phrases. At the park, the kids are playing at the park. In the house, the family is relaxing in the house. Under the bridge, the troll lives under the bridge. On the shelf, the books are neatly arranged on the shelf. Above the clouds, the plane is flying above the clouds. In each of these examples, the location-related prepositional phrase adds crucial information to the sentence, telling us where the action is happening. We can use these phrases in multiple ways. They can be at the beginning of a sentence to set the scene, in the middle to add detail to the action, or at the end to clarify the location of an action or object. Beginning: at the end of the street, there's a bakery. Middle: the bird, in the cage, began to sing. End: she left her bag on the bus. And there we have it. You've now explored the world of location-related prepositional phrases. These versatile phrases are a great way to add detail and specificity to your English sentences. Keep practicing, and you'll soon find that these phrases come naturally to you. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.